All right, so live with break 40, 40, 72. This is 5 multi-box break. All right, so 40, 72. Let me just go back on the Facebook view. Perfect. Hey, Jody. Yeah, go. You got the Bruins, right? So good luck. Camera's good. So 2 black diamonds, artifacts, and 2 series 1 hobby. I'll start with our series 1s. So here we go. I'll keep the decoder for black diamond. Anyways, there's the decoder. Artifacts. Come on. So we start with a stone-walled New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Lundqvist, stone-walled is our first hit. Next, we get our first Young Guns for the Chicago Blackhawks, Luke Johnson. Luke Johnson, Young Guns for Chicago. Next, we get a canvas for the New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Barzal canvas for the Islanders. Stonewalled Buffalo Sabres, Linus Ullmark. Ullmark Stonewalled for Buffalo. Next, we get a 2,525 jersey. 240 out of 250, Carolina Hurricane. So Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. Sebastian Aho. Carolina Hurricanes number 250, 25 out of 25 jersey. Next, we got a canvas for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Canvas for Chicago. Need some Oilers. We got a Stonewall. There it is for the Edmonton Oilers. Grant Fuhrer. Let's start. Grant Fuhrer, Edmonton Oilers, Stonewall. Who's that? Oh, Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres. Rasmus Dahlin. Dahlin, Young Guns for Buffalo. Oh, that's a nice one. Next. Canvas for the Detroit Red Wings. Then Larkin. Larkin canvas for the Wings. Stonewalled for the Detroit Red Wings. Jimmy Howard. Howard Stonewalled for the Wings. We got a canvas for the Vegas Golden Knights Rally Spin. Canvas for Vegas. Back number 12. We got Shooting Stars, Pittsburgh Penguins. Sidney Crosby. Crosby Shooting Stars for Pittsburgh. Black. Second half of the first one. We got a Jagger Years, Pittsburgh Penguins. Jagger Years, Pittsburgh Penguins. Next, the portraits for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Michael Sergachev. Sergachev portraits for Tampa Bay. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Morgan Kalinchuk. Kalinchuk, Young Guns for Calgary. Next, we get a 25 out of 25 Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Monahan, Calgary, 25 out of 25. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Marcus Patterson. Marcus Patterson, Young Guns for the Ducks. Portraits for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alexander Vanberg. Vanberg Portraits Columbus. Next, we got a 25/25 Flyers. Nolan Patrick. Patrick for the Flyers. Jagger Years. Washington Capitals. Next, the Portraits for the Flyers. Evan Provorov. Provorov Portraits Flyers. Next, we get a Young Guns, Florida Panthers, Samuel Montembeault. Young Guns for the Florida Panthers. Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Maxime Comtois. And last pack, reverse box. We get Portraits for the Florida Panthers. He scored tonight, Aaron Ekblad. Aaron Ekblad Portraits for Florida. Very nice start. Nice start for Buffalo with that down in Young Guns. All right, second series 1 box. First hit. There we go. Starting with the Young Guns for the Flyers, Oscar Lindblom. Young Guns for the Flyers, Oscar Lindblom. Next, we got a canvas for the St. Louis Blues, Braden Shen. Braden Shen canvas for the Blues. We got a Jagger Years, New York Rangers. Jagger Years, New York Rangers. Stonewall for the dropping card. For the Winnipeg Jets, Connor Hellebuck. Connor Hellebuck, Stonewall for the Jets. Something dropped, I got lucky. We get a clear cuts for the Anaheim Ducks, Kent Fodder. Kent Fodder clear cut for the Anaheim Ducks. Canvas for the Arizona Coyotes, Jacob Chychrun. Chychrun canvas, Arizona. Stonewall for Boston, Jerry Cheevers. Cheevers, Stonewall for Boston. Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues, Jordan Kyrou. Jordan Kyrou, Young Guns for the Blues. We get a Young Gun canvas, Michael Vorobyev, Flyers. Vorobyev, Young Gun canvas for the Flyers. Stonewall for the Flyers, Brian Elliott. Brian Elliott, Stonewall for the Flyers. Pack 11, we get a canvas for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Seth Jones. Seth Jones canvas, Columbus. Pack number 12. We got a Shooting Stars for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Kopitar Shooting Stars for LA. That was the first half. Second half. Alright, starting with the Jagger Years. Calgary Flames. Calgary Flames, Jagger Years. Next, we got a Portraits for the Anaheim Ducks, Brendan Montour. Portraits Ducks, Montour. Next, we got a Young Guns, Detroit Red Wings, Dennis Cholowski. Cholowski, Young Guns for the Wings. $2,525 to the Leafs. He's back tonight. Austin Matthews. Already scored. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Philip Hronek. Detroit Red Wings, Young Guns. Portraits for the Buffalo Sabres, Casey Middlestat. Middlestat portraits for Buffalo. Stonewall for the Minnesota Wild, David Dubnyk. Dubnyk Stonewall for Minnesota. Next, we got a portraits for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Pavelski. Pavelski portraits, San Jose. Young Guns, Calgary Flames, Dylan Dubik. Calgary Flames, Young Guns. 25/25, Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Tkachuk, Calgary Flames. Last 2 packs. We got a Young Guns for the Arizona Coyotes, Trevor Murphy. And last pack of Series 1. We got a portrait for the New Jersey Devils, Nico Hischier. New Jersey Devils portraits and Hischier. Alright, so that was Series 1. Next, I'm going to do artifacts for sure. Good luck, everybody, with artifacts. Alright, first pack. Starting with a divisional Metropolitan. Jersey for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Artemi Panarin. Panarin jersey for Columbus. Next, we get a base. Number to 599, Dallas Stars, Brett O. Brett O base out of $599. We got a base. Emerald, the number to 99, Colorado Avalanche, Nathan MacKinnon. 99 MacKinnon, Colorado. We get an artifact rookie redemption for the Panthers. For the Panthers, artifact rookie redemption. Rookie number to 999 for the Edmonton Oilers, Ethan Bear. 999 rookie Edmonton, Ethan Bear. Next, we get a base. 536 out of 699 for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. McDavid out of 699 Edmonton Oilers. Last 2 packs. We have the dual jersey. 89 out of 99 for the Wings. Pavel Datsyuk. Dual jersey out of 99 for the Wings of Pavel Datsyuk. And our last pack of artifacts. We have artifact rookie redemption. Autograph number 6. Autograph rookie redemption number 6. This will be random at the end of the break. And now let's do a black diamond. Good luck, everybody, with black diamond. So I'll start up with the exquisite pack. No thanks. So we start with a rookie exquisite number to 299 for Nashville. Ellie Tolvanen. Tolvanen 299 for Nashville. 177 out of 299. And now the black diamond pack. There we go. So we start with a base. Number to 249, Minnesota Wild. Eric Stahl. 249 Eric Stahl base, Minnesota. Next we get a rookie gem. 299 for the New York Islanders, Michael Dadko. Michael Dadko for the Islanders. We got a jersey, 4 out of 149 for the Vegas Golden Knights, Jonathan Marchessault. Jersey out of 149 for Vegas, Marchessault. Next, we got a Team Logos Jumbos for the Flyers. Jacob Voracek. Voracek Team Logo Jumbos for the Flyers. And last, I'll use a one-touch print. Yep. So do I have one here? I don't think I got one close. No, I don't. So I'll be back. All right, so we got a Rookie Gems autograph. Needed a one touch 100. So we got number 44 of 99 for the Vancouver Canucks. Elias Patterson. So nice hit for the Vancouver Canucks. 44 of 99. Elias Patterson. And our second black diamond. Exquisite first. All right. We got number 66 out of 225, Minnesota Wild. Jordan Greenway. Jordan Greenway from Minnesota out of 225. And our last black diamond pack now, it's a big one. Oh, you got something special. There we go. Starting with a base. Number 249 for the Boston Bruins, David Pastrnak. David Pastrnak, 249 Bruins. We got a rookie booklets. Number 84 of 199. So dual jersey for the Anaheim Ducks. Troy Terry. Oh, nice two-color jersey there. So nice booklet for the Anaheim Ducks. Next we got a Team Logos Jumbos, Vancouver Canucks. Adam Goodett. Adam Goodett for the Vancouver Canucks. A Gemography, New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Pavel Buchnevich Gemography for the Rangers. And the last one's a beautiful card. What do we have? We got a Diamond Mighty for the Carolina Hurricanes, Andrei Shvetnikov. Shvetnikov, Carolina. Nice number. 31 out of 99. So number to 99, Diamond Mighty. Diamond Mighty for Carolina. Alright, so that was our multi-box break. That was a really good break overall. Let me get set up for the random, and I'm going to post something different again. I'm going to post a 3 black diamonds with 6 tins next. It's going to be another team select, so including black diamond and series 1. So pretty much the same thing. So no artifacts, but 6 tins. All right, switch the camera side. We're good. So that's autograph rookie redemption number 6. Okay, no. Perfect. Good ear. Yep. So everybody's in. Good luck, everybody. First, second, third. And our winner is the Vegas Golden Knights. So, guys, with that being said, I'll be posting the next multi-box break. But we'll be back with eBay in 20 minutes. Thanks. Is everything good here? Yeah, Runner. Ryan. Makes your 149 purchase.